rock, whoa, fill it to the top, whoa. Getting bent 7 days a week, that's a lot, whoa. New chain, that's a lot, whoa. Too drippy, get the mop, whoa. Counting money, bloopers only, just know that's a lot, whoa.
Skxppy.
Yo, what's good? If you don't know, I'm Skxppy, and I'm sad. Very sad. Nah, I'm playing. But today, I will be showing y'all how to make emotional melodies. Word. So when you got them artists who trying to get rich off their pain, and they like, yo, I need a beat that's gonna make everybody and their mother cry, well, now you'll be able to provide. Alright, without further ado, in 3, 2, 1.
Take forever.
Alright, cool. So now shit, this shit hurts. I'm gonna teach y'all how to make sad, emotional, when I say melody, I am not talking chords. I am not talking just the single melody. I'm talking about something that you can slap on in your DAW, throw some drums behind it, and then now it sounds like you have a beat. So let's get to it. Nah, I don't know what's going on in my head right now, but wait. Alright, so I picked up a closed grand. That's how it sounds. Now, I gotta find something. I'm gonna try to find a chord that I can make my chord progression off of, and that's gonna be emotional. So I'm gonna go do that right now. Bro, you not recording? Oh my god, it wasn't even recording. My bad, my camera wasn't recording. But simple enough is I put in the top notes. It goes from F to E to C to D. Then I added in some undernotes. So then I added in the D, the C under the first two, and then the A, and I kept the A just because I felt like this note didn't really have a good sound to it. Word. Now I'm gonna humanize it. I'm also gonna play with the velocities. Word. Like, it's that last Alright, cool. So I thought I was going to put in some top notes, but I put in some undernotes just to hold the emotion a little bit more. Word, it sounded good. Now I'm gonna try to throw some melodies in there. I can't see the camera. The dreads are in front of my eye, as you can see over here, and it's the only eye I can see the camera out of. So let's try some. Alright, so whoa, we got the top melodies down. I want to do a little experimenting with them because my bad. I'm having so much fun with the camera. I can see like the little box capturing my eyes. Word. So I made the top melody, I made the chord. Beautiful situation, right? I want to do a little experimentation, right? With this note right here. I am going to put it on the 1/16th. I'm gonna zoom in, and then I'm gonna slide it over a little bit, right? And then I kind of want to gliss it, so I'm gonna make a glissando effect. And then let's see. Alright, cool. So that's the melody. We have the chords, we have the top notes. You feel me? Now I'm just gonna add a little bit more emotion into it. So I'm gonna go into the mixer. I'm gonna do a little effects, try to get that full emotion out of it. And we're gonna show you how it's gonna sound. I feel like different sounds will complement this so much more. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna copy it and I'm gonna paste it here. I'm gonna do the same for this one. We'll paste it there as well. Yo, I said paste. Stop playing with me. Alright, cool. I'm gonna mute this one, and then now this top one, what I'm gonna do is delete all the top notes, and that's gonna be my chords. And then the bottom one, I'm gonna delete all the bottom notes, and that's gonna be my melody, my top melody. So what this does is allow for more creativity into your melodies. So now you have both of the melodies still there. You have the chords and you have the melodies. What you can now do is you can assign different sounds to those things, and it'll spice it up and add a new feeling. So I'm gonna start off with the chords thing. Let's go into my favorite sounds. I don't want to waste no time. Word. I don't know why I looked at my clock after I said that. Like I'm actually wasting time. I'm tired of this. Like, I'm not feeling it, bro. I'm not feeling it, bro. You know what? Actually, no. I'm gonna go to a guitar. Alright, cool. So I got the guitar. Well, I got the chords to sound how I wanted them. Got a guitar on it. Now I'm gonna move on to the melody, and let's find. I don't know what sound good with it. Like what sound violent? Alright, cool. So I got the melody down. Now I'm just deciding whether to put halftime on it or not. Halftime is taking mad long, so it's looking like I'm not putting halftime on it. Needed to work in order to put it there. Thank you. Come on now. We got beef or something? Me and my computer? Like we got beef, boy. Alright, cool. So I think that's valid right there, you feel me? I started getting into a rut, so I'm chill, you feel me? I feel like every time you notice yourself getting into like a rut with making a beat, don't force it, just stop right there, come back to it later. Work. Let's start off with the chord first. I threw on 2 EQs. The first EQ, I had it in the high mids and a little bit in the bass. Then for the second one, I said let me take down a little bit of the mid to low mid. Then I threw on a limiter because it was very quiet. All I did was up the gain and take down the ceiling, and then I added some reverb. You feel me? A big room size, a lot of wetness, and I downed the separation. And the melody goes something like this. I mean the chords go something like this. Pretty simple. And then now with the melody, all I did was an EQ. I trapped it in the mids. So I took out the low mids, kept the mids and the high mids. Then I threw on a halftime. With the halftime, I put it to 1/4, and then I put it down to have some effects on it, and then I basically let the halftime do its thing after that. And that's how it sounds. Word. Alright, I hope you enjoy. So much light. I hope you enjoyed that video, and I also hope that you learned that you can make anything you want. All you gotta do is try new things. Word. Make sure to leave a like if you like, and if you don't, leave a comment down below to let me know how to grow. Word. You know that's the only way to prosper, my boy. Alright, so please go home or wherever you go to make your beats. Try and make some sad emotional shit. Word. I'm trying to cry. But nah. Peace, y'all. I got this one. Yeah. I hope you don't hate me after I go. You were the one who made me. I hope you don't replace me after I go, 'cause you're the one who changed me. I hope